Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. In today's video we'll start learning how to change the icon. So for example, here we have the Visual Studio Code icon. How we can do that in Tkinter? First of all, we need an icon. For that we go to icon archive, and this one contains tons and tons of free icons that you can use for free. Let's choose one. Maybe this one looks funny, and download the .ico extension. Set that here, rename it to a simple one, so icon. Now I will just simply go here and first of all start by importing Tkinter as tk, then create my window, and this window will be tk.tk, and the title will be window.title, and the title will be change my icon. And to change the icon, we just say window.icon bitmap, insert the name of the icon. I named it to icon.icon. Finally, window.enloop. Now let's run and see the results. We have an error, icon.ico not defined. This is weird. Let me come back here, icon.icon. Maybe it should be working with the relative path, but maybe since this is a test, it could be requiring the complete path. Let's try that and run, and it's running. Perfect. So that's how you change it. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.